Is the drawdown in volatility right now something that we can hang a hat on?
Tom, thanks for having me. I don't think we can hang our hats on anything right now. These are unprecedented times. And one of the biggest issues we're having is people are juggling and struggling between moral and health concerns for them and their families and their colleagues, as well as at the same time trying to figure out economic well-being for themselves and the general markets. And so in that time, when we're trying to all figure this out, we look at this more like a natural disaster than anything unprecedented that we've seen in our time, I think.
All right, so then how are you guiding your clients then? I mean, your clients have financial questions, needs. They have questions about their future, their retirements. What exactly are you telling them given what we've seen so far?
Yeah, it's a very good question. About a year and a half, we started moving into 20 to 30% alternative investments for the portfolios, and we're going to continue with that. We look long-term, and I know it's such a cliche. I know it's easy to try to say, but if you look 12, 18, 24 months out, we will have figured out the toughest part of this economy, which right now, fundamentals and earnings changed overnight. So we're advising them, look, own companies that have cash on the balance sheet, that are not over-levered, because a lot of the banks right now and a lot of the companies that we're looking at are in much better positions than they were in '08. Bond spreads are way out of whack. I think there's some value in bonds, especially high-grade bonds. You're seeing spreads that weren't even seen in '08 when the banking sector was failing. So I think there is value out there.
Michael, I think it's interesting you bring up the bond spread point there. One of the drivers behind those big bond spreads is the energy sector. It's come under so much pressure at this point. Is the energy sector in the U.S. ever going to look the same ever again?
Look, it will look the same. It's going to take some time. I mean, they got hit with oil as well as this virus epidemic. That was a perfect storm for them, and they're going to struggle. But again, a lot of those companies have strong balance sheets. A lot of them have manufacturing that's being brought back to America, which is I think, one of the things that's going to bring us out of this economic issue once the pandemic has been solved. Is Michael, a lot of companies are doing American repatriatizing a lot of their businesses in America.
Michael, we just got about 10 or 15 seconds here. What's the one name sector that you like right now?
I'm sticking with technology. Look, we're a technology hot time right now. I think it's unprecedented times in technology that we're going to see for the next 50 years.
Gotcha.